Hey everybody, it is Tuesday and it's 2 o'clock, so that means it is time for Top 5 Tuesday. I am your host from Crate Insider, Kate Dillon, and I hope you had an awesome Memorial Day weekend. I know we took the day off here at Crate Insider, and I know the weather was a little up and down, a little rain, but then it cleared up here in North Carolina, so it was a really beautiful day yesterday, and it was just a nice time to get a break, and I hope you guys got a break and, you know, maybe had a chance to see your favorite racetrack over the weekend. But I'm here today to talk to you about the top 5 products this week. But before we get into that, and you know, spoiler alert, they're all right here, I wanted to talk to you about one of the newer products that we've had here in the store. And these are our 12-inch lug nut wrenches. So it used to be that one of these was orange and one was gray, but now they're both gray. And these are a 12-inch, you know, pit extension, and one of them is a 1/2-inch drive, and the other one is a 3/8-inch drive, and these are sockets for, you know, for removing your wheels. So yeah, there we go. So our lug nut wrenches, let's see, the 1/2-inch one runs $51.99 and the 3/8 runs $49.99. And now we've got these in the store, and they've been very popular. I mean, my goodness, I guess I probably should have picked them up a long time ago, but ran across them and decided to go in that direction. But with that, I've got 5 products to talk about here, and in our number 5 spot this week is one of my favorites, and that's what I say every time I talk about this product. This is our fast firewire, and our firewire, it is the 8 wires plus it is the coil wire as well. What I really I've always liked about these is they all have the numbers on them, so we know which cylinder they go to. These are meant for an under header style, so you can use them with the 602 or the 604, and they'll go underneath your headers, and they're just beautiful. Besides that, though, they are incredibly effective. Really love the skin on the outside of these. It's almost like a kind of a snake skin, and they are heat safe. Oh, the biggest thing is that their resistance, really low resistance at 25 ohms per foot. And I just want to take a look here and just see. I know there's heat safe too. I want to say it's like 400 or 450 degrees, but it's a lot. So you don't have to worry about your wires just kind of melting with your engine heat. And so really love our fast fire wire. They run $203.95 for a set, and obviously we've got them in stock, and one of those pieces is sitting right here. So that's in the number 5 spot. In the number 4 spot this week, this little guy wanted to fall over, but these are our shielded breathers. Now, just a little tech tip on this is, as I know that you want to put these on, and oh gosh, I just forgot which way to put the shield. Oh no, the shield goes towards the wind, actually, because you're really trying to shield it from like getting dust inside of there, because these really are exhaust breathers. That's hence breathing, and this is allowing your crankcase to exhaust. So these are fantastic for your engine, and we've had them be very popular for a long time. So they run $30.99 each, and you know, a lot of times you're going to buy them by the pair, but we do sell them individually, so you can pick them up right there. So that's in the number 4 spot. Number 3 this week is another favorite, and I guess ignition is kind of our, well, I don't know, it's not really a theme, but our NGK spark plugs, we sell these in sets of 8 because, well, you need 8 spark plugs for your engine, and these we found are very good with the different fuel types. So whether you're running E85 or a race gas or even a pump gas, the NGKs do a really good job. This is the right heat range. These are the -8s here, and and every manufacturer has their own heat range chart. Just to say so, but these have worked out really well for all the different kinds of fuels, and both for 602s and 604s, and in the different areas of the country. So we've had really good success with these, and they run $35.12 for a set of 8 of them, and very popular. I need to order some more, so you might want to act if this is like, oh, I need spark plugs, and it's the great thing about Crate Motors is that we just don't really have a lot that we have to do with maintenance, but the things you do are changing the oil, changing the spark plugs. I mean, those would be the main things that are going to, and changing valve springs. That's another one. But we're not having to go through those engines on such a frequent basis like you do with other items. All right, next up in our number 2 spot is from our friends over at Daytona 1, and this is our 5W40, our Daytona 1 PTRO, and the PTRO, it's right here. It stands for Purpose Tuned Racing Oil. This oil was specifically designed, it was specifically tested and designed with a 604, and it works incredibly well with a 602 as well. So this week it's a case of our 5W40, and a case of 12 runs $238.20. So pardon me for looking down, but I don't remember all of the prices on everything all the time. All right, well, that leads us to our top product this week, and I'm gonna have to pop a picture up on the screen so you can see it. But these are our ProFab headers for our 604s. This is a stainless set of headers, and the fit is pretty universal. I mean, are some different fitment things with particular chassis, but these are our most popular style. And the 604 headers, they run $19.99, and we do have them. We just got a batch. They do go pretty quick, so if you're in need of headers, order them now, or order them sooner rather than later before we run out. So that is our top 5 for this week. I want to thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them in, and I hope that you'll subscribe to our channel over on YouTube, hit that like button, and we'll see you in another video.